Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions. The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had a very strong session yesterday. It opened on a flattish note, briefly entered into the red zone, but then the bounce back was very strong, the recovery was very strong, and at one point in time it was up 400 points, almost 400 points. And after that there was a significant correction. The entire gains were given up. It was down almost 40 points, and then from there we again witnessed a bounce back of 250 points towards the end of trading session. So there was immense volatility. Doubtful that anybody could make money because the kind of volatility one had. Stop losses are likely to be triggered for both long and short. Nevertheless, Nifty has closed around 24,750, and what this basically means that Nifty has achieved the immediate targets which was shared in the weekly report. The next logical targets come around 25,000, 25,100, and from there we may see a fall resuming to form wave C. There are a couple of things I would like to add. One, when I say that 25,000, 25,100 is where wave B might end, it's more of a projection. Wave B might go higher also and then again come back lower. This is a 5-3-5 pattern. The first fall was in 5-wave structure towards 26,200. The current rise has been in 3-wave structure towards 24,700, 25,000, wherever it goes. The next logical structure also comes lower. What basically I'm trying to say is this is called a zigzag pattern in Elliott theory. If this were a 3-wave correction in the beginning, we could have seen a lifetime high first and then a correction, but zigzags don't see that kind of move. So we may see more upsides, but then it may follow by a correction sort of. Today being the RBI policy announcement, we may see incremental volatility again. HDFC Bank has been going very strong. The Bank Nifty yesterday was not as strong as compared to Nifty. Nevertheless, it has been on the positive side. We have seen a move of 3,000 points and more in last few weeks. So there has been a very strong and robust upside, predominantly led by HDFC Bank. Broader markets didn't do well, even when Nifty was trading at 400 points up. Stocks were at the same level, or even they were languishing. Market breadth was also not thumpingly strong. It was positive, but it was not extremely strong as well. It was more over index that went higher, lower, higher, lower. So going forward, that is going to be the case. Let us see if we see more upside sort of coming in. When Nifty Midcap 100 is near its resistance area, if it's reversing, we may see correction sort of coming in again. For today, I would avoid buying or selling. We have seen good upside happening already, and once the RBI policy is announced, then probably making a longer or short trade would make sense. As far as levels are concerned, 24,500 is going to be the immediate support area for Nifty on the spot side. If 24,700 strength of day is not taken out, then we may see some profit booking. But as I said, there's not much of a trade, and we don't need to trade every day. But for now, the fabric remains positive. As long as we don't see a reversal pattern sort of building up on the intraday charts, I would not recommending a short either. FIs yesterday bought around 8,500 crores worth in cash. So this is a big number. Finally, we have seen some major buying happening by FIs. There might be some deals included in this, but as of now, it looks as if it's a pure buying by FIs. US markets closed marginally down. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 10 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open a flattish note. And as the day progresses, the policy will decide the orientation of the markets today. That will be all from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.